Hello, tiny reviewer friends. Today I'll be reviewing Trader Joe's red curry Thai noodles. So I already reviewed one and I believe it's uploaded. I'm not sure. So that's, you can check that out after you watch this video. It's like a series. So Thai noodles, it's $2.49 before I forget the price and lose my head and say at the end of the video. There's the nutrition facts, the ingredients. It says contains wheat, coconut, and anchovy. Product of Thailand. So let's open it because the garlic one was like sweet bland. That's it, just sweet, nothing else, just sweet. But hopefully this would be a teeny bit better. Well, we hope it. Oh, there's a dotted line. I was looking for it everywhere. There we go. Oh, there we go. That was easy. Same thing. Kit. So there is the liquid. There's the noodles, and that's it. Here comes the noodles. I'm not a good camera woman, so if you see the camera wobbling a bit, or it's not steady, here it comes the red curry. And it does look like a red curry to me too. It smells pretty good too. So this is what the red curry looks like after it's been out of the microwave for about 1 minute and 30 seconds. And my phone's gonna stir it for a bit. And we're gonna pop it back in the microwave. Here comes the curry on the plate. I think this will be delicious than the garlic one, I think. Well, it smells better than the garlic one, I can say that. Well, I meet you on the brown table again. So here it is, the red curry that is not very good at stirring. So I'm gonna come here with the garlic one that is already uploaded. It smells better than the garlic one, I can say that, but I'm not sure if it tastes better than that because that's what counts. There you go. I think it just tasted ginger. What tastes like ginger may not be ginger. Why is this not going into my chopstick? Maybe I hooked it. It's a bit spicy. It's not my favorite meal. I mean, I think it's about at the same rank as the garlic thingy, which I forgot the name of. P.S. But it's not really my favorite meal. It smells delicious, but it doesn't taste delicious. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the like button. And I hope you guys will enjoy many, many other videos. Bye!